Hey guys, welcome back. We made it to yet another Friday. Ever since I got the Astral Blitz quads from Pat McGrath, I've been wanting to create combo looks where I use the quad and a Mothership palette to try to find or create something fun that you guys may be interested in. So last Friday I posted a combo look tutorial using Ritualistic Rose and Divine Rose. You guys seem to like that, so I decided to go ahead and create a combo look tutorial now for Nocturnal Nirvana combined with Midnight Sun. And this is the resulting look. We've got some green, brown, and gold tones that end up really complementing each other. We know that green and brown are shades that do complement each other naturally. So when I looked at the palettes, I naturally gravitated towards those colors. And before we move on to the tutorial, I do want to do swatches from both palettes for a side-by-side comparison. All of the shades I selected to swatch for this comparison is going to be all 4 shades from Nocturnal Nirvana and select shades from Midnight Sun that I used in today's look, or a shade that I found similar in tone to Nocturnal Nirvana. First we have, starting from my wrist, this is Taboo, the only matte shade that I used today. Next to it is Incandescent Gold 003. And then this is Jubilee from Midnight Sun. Incandescent Gold is from Nocturnal Nirvana. And then we have Bronze Envy, also from Midnight Sun. These 4 colors, very similar to each other in tone, or at least very complementary. Jubilee actually has the glitter finish, whereas Incandescent Gold is more foil-like, similar to Bronze Eclipse. Next we have the 2 purples. These 2 colors really complement each other. They have different finishes. I did use this Blitz purple from Nocturnal Nirvana as tight line under my eyes today. Not the easiest shade to work with. If you plan to put it on your lid, you do need a few applications and you do need to work and blend it out. Next to it is Blitz Violet Orchid. This is from Midnight Sun. This is the one with the glitter finish. And I would say it's easier to work with than this purple. Then we have the greens here. This is VR Emerald from Nocturnal Nirvana, and this is Wicked Envy from Midnight Sun. Like the purples, these greens really complement each other. I used this on the outer corners of my eyes and then used VR Emerald as a transition shade. And as I added more of VR Emerald, packed it onto the lids, I was able to have a very impactful, pretty looking glitter finish. And then for the last color here, we have Blitz Aquamarine. This color actually reminds me of a clear blue sky or clear ocean water. Makes sense, it's called Aquamarine. But I think on a summer day or with the right outfit, this is such a pretty color that I could see just using it by itself lightly all over the lid. Now that we've looked at the shade comparisons, let's head on over to the tutorial. Taking Midnight Sun's Taboo, we're going to place that all over the crease. Then we're going to take from Midnight Sun, Bronze Eclipse, and then put that all over the lid. And we're going to work some of this color into the crease. Then I'm going to go back and blend it out a little bit. Next, we're going to apply Wicked Envy to the outer corners. And then taking Nocturnal Nirvana, we're going to apply VR Emerald to the rest of the lid. I want a little bit more intensity in the color, so I'm gonna take my pinky and we're gonna apply more of this VR Emerald throughout the middle of the lid to the inner corners and then blend a little bit upwards. Now using a different brush, we're going to apply this incandescent gold onto the brow bone. I'll put on mascara, foundation, concealer, and we'll come back for the finishing touches. We're going to take some more of the Bronze Eclipse and place it under the lash line. And then switching over to Nocturnal Nirvana, we're going to take this incandescent gold and then also place this under the lash line. I want the bottom part of the look, or I want the look under the lash line to have a reflective quality to it, like the brow bone. So we're just going to blend this color in. And then finally, we're going to use Blitz Purple to tightline under the eyes. Let's apply some gel liner to the upper lash line. Taking a closer look now that the eye look is mostly completed, I want more of incandescent gold and bronze eclipse to come out further in kind of like a gradient or a faded fashion. So I'm going to take this jumbo blender brush, dip it into bronze eclipse from Midnight Sun, and then into incandescent gold from Nocturnal Nirvana. And then we're just going to add it here and bring it outwards. And then I still want incandescent gold to be very visible on the brow bone. I'm going to go and add some more of that color right under the brow bone and just bring it out further. And then we're going to add incandescent gold to the inner corners of the eyes. I'm going to add mascara, blush, and we'll come back for the complete look. This is the finished look. Thanks for watching the tutorial. I think this is such a wearable look. I would wear this to the office during the daytime, but obviously it depends on your line of work. But I think overall the results are interesting, but they're not like too much that this is just out of the question for daytime. I think next we have to do a Midnight Sun tutorial. That's kind of been overdue. So I will have that for you guys next week. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Stay safe. See you next time.